To feed her family, she will attempt to infiltrate the Falklands' largest elephant seal colony. These giants are way too big for most orca. A female elephant seal weighs nearly a ton. A big male can weigh more than a pickup truck. The mother orca's finely tuned strategy is an ambush, taught to her by her mother. She waits for sundown, when elephant seals head out to fish. She knows where they get in and out of the water. This is all about providing for her pod. If she's seen, her family won't eat. Her top fin acts as a rudder, but for this trick, she has to keep it hidden. Once she's in position, she waits. To feed her family,